If you have a Bose Bluetooth speaker that no longer turns on, I'm going to give you some troubleshooting methods to try out. Now, of course, we know that you probably plugged it in and had it plugged in for a long time. It's still not turning on. So what I want you to do is actually remove the USB and try it on either a different device, if you have like a laptop, or if you're able to connect it to another USB port on your computer or your laptop. So if you have some available on the back, go ahead and plug in the back or the front or the side. You'll be surprised that that's the issue. There might be something faulty with that USB port, or just it might do the trick in order to start get it charged. And then go ahead and let it sit there charging for about 30 minutes and then see if it turns on. The next thing I want you to do is actually replace the USB charger cord. Try with a different one, and you might have to buy a brand new one, or you might have one laying around, but try a different USB port. Now, if you haven't tried this already, go ahead and plug it up to the wall and use an adapter that looks like this, a wall adapter that you can plug the USB in there. Plug it up to the wall and let that sit for 30 minutes, and then tell me if you're able to get it work. A lot of times that will do the trick as well. Now the thing I want you to do is, it may be accidentally on ship mode, or put it on ship mode and then take it off of ship mode. So this is a sound link, but it doesn't matter what version that you have, but it should have a multifunction button. If not, then we'll just go to the next step. But the multifunction button looks like 3 little dots here, and what I want you to do is have it plugged in to a computer or a laptop and hold down the multifunction button for 10 seconds, and just hold it down and keep holding it down, and then after 10 seconds unplug it and then plug it back in and let it charge for a good 30 to 45 minutes. A lot of times that will do the trick. Next thing I want you to do is unplug it and hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Now what that does is it will reset it back to factory settings. That's fine, like it was out of the box. But do that for 10 seconds, let go, and hopefully you'll hear like a language where it'll ask you for language. Then you know it actually did a reset, and maybe then it'll start turning on. Now after you've tried that, actually do an update on it. So plug it back in and then plug it to your laptop or your computer, and then go to the following website, which is owned by Bose, and then see if it recognizes, the computer recognizes the Bose. If it does, that's a good sign. And then while you're online on the internet, go ahead and do an update on your Bose. That could take a few minutes. Then after the update, see if you're able to power it on. Alright, let me know if any of these instructions helped. If not, I'll link you up to a video at the end of this video. It's called the nuclear option, and it's like when all else fails, it's something that you can try. The nuclear option is going to be at the very end of the video up here. Alright, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe.